This motor for crusher. You can see this power is 5.5 kilowatts. Just now I said wrong. This motor, the mixer motor, it is 7.5 kilowatts for mixer. Mixer motor, crusher motor, 5.5 kilowatts. This motor we painting black. This motor we painting black. Those two motor for sieve. See this motor and this motor. We painting silver color. Those two motor for the longer conveyor. Those motor for the short conveyor. Later we will install this G here. But two pieces chain. Four. 7 9 10，一共10个啊。This rubber for you. Use a conveyor. Have hopper. Use this rubber connection. This hopper with screen mouse. This for you connection conveyor and screen and crusher. So supporter for mixer enough. This feet, mixer arm feet enough. Hammer here enough. Motors. You can see this motor and this motor. The two motor for long conveyor, and this motor we not painting. All same. Backup for you total by 4 extra motor of conveyor. This is a motor for big long conveyor. And here have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This 9 for short conveyor. Because you total by 4 extra motor for conveyor, so we give you 1 big and 3 small. So still have 6 pieces small conveyor motor. You total by 6 pieces small conveyor and 2 pieces long conveyor. So motor enough. And here black color. Here black color, and this one those two motor for screen. And this motor for the small crusher. Today load container again. We already load 400 pieces pallet, and now load 2 pieces screen. All the parts for conveyor, crusher, screen in the mixer screen. Now pellets. 400 pieces mixer, 2-piece conveyor, and small crusher head. 这是 parts for conveyor. 2、3、4、total 10. Conveyor hopper, you notice the conveyor hopper have a mark 1, 2, 3. The conveyor hopper with confirmed conveyor on the conveyor frame also have the mark, same mark installed together. You can see now we load 400 pieces pallet, 1 mixer, 1 crusher, 2 pieces screw. Also hopper of the mixer, crusher leg, conveyor frame. Now the conveyor built 5, still have 3. Now we load the hot block machine. My friend, your gift we put in hopper. Now we load the hot block machine. The last 3 built for conveyor. We already load 5, total 8. The last 3. Block machine, that bag is boots. Then there is a toolbox, a tube, big crusher head. Now we load the hydraulic station. Load the moves. 2 4 moves. One is 4 set clay brick mode, and the bottom one is concrete block mode. Here another 2 mode. Top one is solid block mode, concrete. The last one, the bottom one is clay block mode, clay brick mode. Total 4 sets mode, 1 mode is machine. Later we'll load other modes. The big motor is a big crusher motor. Have load a control box of hot block machine. This is the clay brick mode, down mode. We put inside. Put it inside. You see all the modes, orange change head mode and down mode here. This is the mode box. 那红的是什么模具？是钢筋的，是吧？小是吧？对。The red color is for S145 mode. And trolley wheels we put on a set of the hot block machine, 4 pieces wheels, because you have 2 trolleys. 2 trolleys is 4 wheels. 2 wheels frame loading container. Blue color one on the yellow color mode. That is frame of big crusher. We all load. Now we need to load all the conveyor frame and the last 600 pieces pallet. Then we will finish load the container. Now we all load all the pallets in the container. Still need to load the block receiver and conveyor frame. After we load the block receiver and all the conveyor frame, then finish to load the container. Actually, this container load too many different goods, and the container will full. So we use about nearly 4 hours to finish to load the container. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 meter length conveyor, 1 frame. 6 meter frame, 2 frame. So 6 pieces, 4 meter. 6. 2 pieces, 6 meter. 4 pieces, total 10 pieces. 5, 10 enough. Now we load the last pass block receiver in the container. Then we will finish load the container.放。好。
那这我是不是？
我觉得最好就是